Namaste. Happy Ganesh festival to all. Finally, Lord Ganesha has arrived. Yes, it is 2020 and I'm sure Bappa must be loving his pleasant stay without any loud sound. You see, our Bappa has a sweet tooth and he will never ever get bored with lot of sugar. But how about us? So, let's take a break from the refined sugar and serve him some sweet which are actually healthy and really easy to make. I'm sure he will enjoy for his rest of the stay. Today I'll be sharing 4 sugar-free Modak recipes. So, what is the first you ask? Yes, first up is our dry fruit Modak. These are incredibly easy to make and very delicious. There is no sugar added. The sweetness comes naturally from dates. Lightly dry roast almonds, cashews and pistachio. Add roasted nuts to blender and pulse until the mixture is coarsely chopped. Here we have a pulp of peated dates. I have soaked them and then made a puree. This way we don't need to add any ghee or milk to bind the modak. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom. Along with this you can also add ground cinnamon. Transfer the mixture onto the plate.
And we are set to make a modak. To make a beautiful modaks, I am using mold. If you don't have, you can always shape them into a round lettuce. Let's grease the mold with the ghee or clarified butter. Then fill the mold with the dry fruit mixture. Scrape the side so that it is clean.
And that's it. Unmold it and our modak is ready. This is the simplest form of modak you can have. Next we have Kaju based modak. This is 3-in-1 recipe. You just have to cook one base and you can turn this into the flavorful bomb of your choice. Here I have tried with few berries and chocolate. You can try out with your choice of flavors. Let me know in the comment box what would you like to eat with. Soak the cashew in warm water for 4 hours. Rinse and transfer it to the mixer jar. Blend to form a silky cashew cream. Take the non-stick pan. Yes, I realized that after I started to cook. As cashew cream has bit of water, it will start to stick to our pan. I have to transfer it to the non-stick pan. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now let's add our sweetener. Here again I am using date pulp. You can use raisins or dried fig or any other sweetener of your choice. With this quantity, we can make up to 10 big modaks or up to 20 to 25 small modaks depending on your mold size. You can add saffron or any flavoring agent to this mixture. Now let's separate in 3 equal batches. Let's make a simple Kaju Katli style modak. For this you don't have to do much. Let's take our first part and start making the modaks. Again, grease your mold, fill the mixture and make sure that the mold is completely filled. And that's it. Unmold to see our lovely simple Kaju Modak. Please take a note that they are not overly sweet like normal Kaju Katli, but I'm sure you will enjoy it. Next, let's jazz it up with some berries. I'm using cranberry. You can add any dried berries like blueberry, or you can also use a dried fruit like apricot, which is of the sweeter side. Let's take 2 tablespoons of cranberry. Let's use a blender or a chopper to make a tiny pieces. Now let's take our second batch of kaju and add the chopped cranberries. And follow the same steps for modak. Grease the mold using the ghee. Stuff the mold with the mixture and unmold to see a lovely Cranberry modak ready. Now to the last one. I am sure our small devils or even a Ganesha will be very happy to see this addition. After all, who doesn't love the chocolate? Let's take the last portion of our kaju mixture, turn them into chocolate modak. For this, you can take any chocolate like milk chocolate, white chocolate, or even a dark chocolate. Let's melt the chocolate. Microwave it for 1 minute to get it runny consistency. Let's mix it with kaju batter. You can see it's getting a bit sticky. Don't worry, it will still form our perfect modak. And follow the same steps for modak. Grease the mold using the ghee. Stuff the mold with the mixture. Now let's unmold to see our chocolate modak is ready. Similarly, do all your modaks. Once all done, make sure you keep this in refrigerator for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you serve. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you do, please like and share with your friends and family. Also, let us know for the next time which flavor you would like to pair with kaju. Thank you for staying on healthy side. Until next time, stay safe and stay happy.